Hi everyone, I'm Suyog from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to set AI browser as the default browser. Making AI browser your default browser ensures you always use it for web browsing, enhancing your online experience. So, let's get started on how to set AI browser as the default browser. First, open the AI browser app. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the menu that appears, you can see the Set Default Browser option. Tap on it. Now, tap on Set as Default option. Finally, tap on the AI Browser option and tap on the Set as Default option. And this is how you can set AI Browser as your default browser. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.